In today's video, we're going to fix the DisplayPort no signal error on an Asus monitor. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes by following the right steps. A DisplayPort no signal error on an Asus monitor usually comes down to four main causes: cable problems, wrong input selection, driver issues, or monitor configuration glitches. Start with the basics. Check that the DisplayPort cable is firmly connected to both the monitor and the graphics card. Even a slightly loose cable can cause a no signal message. Next, open the monitor's on-screen display menu and confirm that DisplayPort is selected as the active input. Many Asus monitors default to HDMI after power loss or sleep mode. After that, power cycle the monitor. Unplug it from power for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This resets the monitor's internal electronics and often restores the signal. If the problem continues, update your graphics card drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a major cause of DisplayPort issues. If DisplayPort won't show anything, switch to HDMI temporarily, update the drivers, then reconnect DisplayPort. Also, try a different DisplayPort cable or a different port on your graphics card. Low-quality cables are a frequent hidden cause. For persistent issues, uninstall and reinstall your graphics drivers through Device Manager. Some Asus models are known to have wake from sleep or slow startup issues, which may require firmware updates. If nothing works, test the monitor on HDMI or another device and contact Asus support.